Naomi here. If you want to know how to make this bucket hat, make sure you stick around to the very end of this video. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Let's get into the video. Now for the circle, you're going to divide your head circumference by 6.28. So now my head circumference is 22. So 22 divided by 6.28 would give me 3.5. So now 3.5 is what I'll use to get the circle. In order for you to get your circle, you're going to fold your cardboard into 4. So now you have like a small square you'll be working with. I'll be taking the 3.5 all round. You don't need to add any seam allowance. Now you have your perfect circle. For the second pattern, measure half of the circle. Or better still, measure your head circumference divided by 2. My head circumference is 22, so 22 divided by 2 is 11. 11 should also be what you get when you measure half of your circle. Curve the tape rule to be 11 inches. You can check it more than twice, more than 3 times, just to be sure. The second pattern will be 4 inches wide. For the brim, your head circumference divided by 6.28 times 2. Now you mark all the way round. The width of the brim depends totally on you. I'll be taking 3 inches. You take 3 inches all the way around. Now you have all the pattern you need. Go ahead and place it on your fabric. Make sure you secure it with a pin before cutting so it doesn't move around. I will be cutting on fold, but if you don't have enough fabric, you can go ahead and cut separately, then join it afterwards at the sides. Now you have 2 pieces each, making 6 altogether. Go to your machine and sew along the sides. I'll sew mine and I'll be right back. Pinning, your bucket hat should look like this. Now go to your sewing machine and sew it all the way around. Now you have 2 of the bucket hats, one for the lining and one for the main. You can actually use any other fabric for the lining. Now we have to sew the main fabric and the lining together to hide the raw edges. Make sure the right sides are facing each other. Then use your pin to secure. Go ahead and sew it all round, leaving 2 inches space open so you'll be able to turn it inside out. Your bucket hat is almost ready. Go ahead and iron it properly. Go to your sewing machine and top stitch the opening. You can also top stitch 3 to 4 lines. Your bucket hat is ready. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. If you have any suggestion, please leave them in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.